Presenting a pre-owned 2024 Mercedes-Benz. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 9-speed shiftable O transmission. This Mercedes-Benz is a steal with less than 9,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 26 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and sunroof.